Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, as I always repeat the same thing, I'm going to repeat again. Make sure you do your own warm-up, leg raising, basic punches, basic blocks and kata kicks. This is the each time when you start the class you have to follow this sequence. Then you go for the additional classes. Last time we did the rolling and falls, all that thing. Now I'm going to teach you the basic of rolling of a stick, how you have to use your stick. Basically, maybe in the future we go for the stick kata, but now you just learn how you have to swing the stick with my assistant Mr. Imran. Please come here. Okay. See, when you carry a stick, make sure when you put your stick on the ground, along with your height, it has to come up to your ear level. That much the height of the stick, not above your head, not too low, up to your ear level. Okay, so just for the sample we brought this stick here. This, stay on a normal stance, just look at slowly, carefully how you're going to swing. We go from the basic first. So first thing is start with, hold the stick up there and slide it down and hold it again, slide it down and hold it again, step by step. Have a look please. Start. There. One is up there, then you back again. Lift up, hold there. Hold right to the bottom. Then release and hold it. Release and hold it. That way, basically swing from sliding in your palm. So you get used to it. If you slide it up and down, where you have to hold it. One more time, please. Lift up, hold there. Then slide it down a bit and hold. Slide it down and hold. Okay, when it's down up to there, then you bring it back again up. Lift, hold there. Slide, slide, slide. Down, back. So these you have to practice until you get perfection in it. Hold it down the bottom, slide it down and hold, slide down and hold, then back up again. Okay? Last time, show me one more time please. Hold, hold. Then take it right back up. Okay, make sure when you do this you have to have good space. Don't be near the TV anywhere else where you can catch the stick. Okay, be there. Like one is, this is the basic first step. Slide, hold, slide, hold, slide, hold. Now go for the second step with double hand. Just rolling. Go. Look at carefully. Sir is doing slowly. Slow. One. Hold with your right hand. Cover with your left hand. Swing and cover. Watch the hand carefully, listen to me carefully, and just follow. Swing and hold. Swing, hold. Just the basic. Okay. Once you get perfection, you can go a little bit faster and faster. But remember, slow, one more time please, slowly. Hold it first, hold there, hold it. Put your right up, left is down, remember. Hold it in the center, just you landing. Swing with the right, put your left up, cover it, swing again. That's the way you try. So it will take time, be patient, okay? And practice. You have to be patient and practice. You can't learn in one day. You have to practice weeks to get perfection in it. Okay? So after doing that one, then you go for the third step. Third step with one hand. Slowly swing, turn and hold. Take it light. Even you can use the electric plastic pipe or water plastic pipe, PVC pipes or that one, which is light and safer. Depend upon your strength. If you are lower classes, better use a plastic pipe, which is lighter and won't get injury. Go through this. Swing and hold. Okay. Keep it in the middle, just swing. Swing with the thumb. Okay. Just hold there, put your thumb up a bit and push and swing and hold there. Swing and hold. This way you get the balance, the stick in your thumb, in your palm. You hold it, swing it, play with your fingers. See, watch here. Okay. right? Once you've done that, now we're going to roll the stick. Okay. First, stand straight first. Normal stand. Now, hold it. See that first. Grab the stick. Now, hold the stick with your elbow. Mark it. Mark it. From elbow, hold there. One. Second hand. From there, hold there. Okay. Now, take your left leg back. Okay. Now, take your position. See, holding here, holding with two. And remember, your hand is not fixed on the path. You will swing up and down along with the swing. So, look at carefully. Slowly. One. This is drop in the front, cross, then back up, slowly jate rahega. One stop. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now we're going to stop in 3 steps. Third pedal. Now from here, 1, see, right, swing. 1, 2, down, 3, here. Right is underneath, but you have to lift your elbow to swing. Watch here. Now go up, swing from other side, then swing, then come in the front. This will up to 5th count, 5th swing. Watch carefully. So go slowly. 1, 2, 3. Underneath your elbow, lift the elbow cross, turn. Along with your body movement, come there. In this movement, your hands will be swing up and down. Along with the swing, you have to do it that way. Again, 1. Little bit fast, please. 2. All 5 steps is together. Watch carefully. On the same stance, only thing is you have to put your elbow up, swing, be there. That's the way you do. One more time. Go 2, 3 times. Continue. Watch here. Continue. Watch that. If you're good enough, watch the fingers and the hands how sweating, coming closer and out. But you have to just swing along with it. Okay, stop. Now, one more time, have a look carefully. The last 5 steps again. Holding there, walk up. Go slowly. 1, 2, 3. Is underneath your elbow. Swing in the front, back, and hold here. 2, 'When it's come under your elbow, you have to swing it mid. Lift up and swing. Watch the hands and the elbow carefully. With the body movement, but the stance is as it is. This you have to be patient and practice. Slowly, you get to learn. You can't learn anything in one day, please remember that. Okay? Now from the beginning to the end, sir will show you in a medium manner, please. Then first, see? Hold a bit, all the way down. Just slide it, hold, slide it, hold, slide it, hold. Slide it, hold there. Slide it, hold there. When it's there, throw it up, hold again, slide it, slide it, slide it. One more time. So each one we will go for 3 times. 1, slide, slide, slide. Okay? Now, second one, keep it in the front. Right is up, left is down. Okay? Swing and hold. That's it. Keep it in the center. You don't have to be in the edge, be in the center. Just swing. Just swing. Look at the hands of the sir, how it's swinging with the angle. Same normal stance. Okay, this is the way. Now go for the third one with a single hand. Just with the hand, If you're a right hander, you can hold in your right hand or left or lift. Just swing and hold. Just swing and hold. Use the electric pipes or PVC water plumbing pipes, anything with your ear level. When you stand, put your stick on the left hand side up to ear level. So this is a single hand. When that is done, then we go in for the 5-step swing. That for 5-step swing, left leg down, right it there, measure with the elbow, hold, then other elbow, hold. Okay? With 2 fingers, there, thumb, there. And swing. Start. Slowly, slowly, complete 5 steps. Okay, now go fast. Watch here. When you learn, when you get good, then you can go like that. And it will take time. Be patient. 100% you can learn. There is nothing impossible nowadays. But you have a good warm up. Remember that. That's it. Up. Okay. Do good warm up before you start. Okay. You wait. Right. Back up. Back to normal. And make sure